Here's an amazing hack that will allow you to watch college football games for free on any device. Your phone, your tablet, your laptop, your PC, or your TV, as long as you got the internet. Definitely watch to the end because I'm letting you know what other ways you can use this hack. So check this out. So this is how you're gonna watch college football games for free. You're gonna go to YouTube, right? So we're gonna go to YouTube. And when we go to YouTube, we're gonna go in the search bar. So let's just say you wanna watch a certain game. So in the search bar, we're gonna type Colorado versus Houston. Now, if we just left it like that, a lot of times we're gonna get videos that aren't going to let us watch live games. So what we're gonna do is, at the end of every game search that we're gonna search, we always put live. So make sure whatever game you're trying to watch, whoever versus whoever, put live. So Colorado versus Houston, live. Press enter. All right, so now for the search results, we have these channels, or these videos from these channels that's showing us the thumbnail that says live. Depends on how popular this game is, you might have more than one channel showing that live game. So you just basically click on the game.
Countless files and different formats.
Let me mute it. This is a ad, so we'll wait till this ad ends. We'll click skip. All right, so actually this game is just getting started. So it's actually great. So this game is starting, right? And this is actually live. So you're able to watch this game, if this is the game you're trying to watch. Watch this particular game live for free. Do you hear me? Free. You ain't gotta worry about uploading no app. You ain't gotta worry about paying for a subscription. This is free. And when I tell you I've been watching games like this all last season, all last year, some the year before that, and had no problems. So the beauty of it is more than likely more than one channel is going to show that game live. So you can just pick whichever channel has the best quality. To me, this is pretty good. Now, one thing you won't have is like high 4K. Like you're not going to get super clear quality. So for instance, once I maximize this, so me maximizing this, right? It's not bad quality, but it's not 4K. And I know this because I can look at the fonts and I can tell it's not clear. The words, they're not just clear, but definitely clear enough to watch for free, right? So I'm turning on the audio. But stay with me because I'm gonna let you know some stuff at the end for sure. There we go. Colorado and Houston, baby. They're starting right now, live. This is a live game. And there you go. This is how you watch live college football games for free. Let me turn that down. Like I said, just search for it and make sure you put live at the end. Now, this is what I was going to tell you. So during the season, you won't have any problems with finding these games. But when like playoff season comes, when playoff time comes, these games become more prime time. And that's when YouTube and all the networks that cover these games are going to start being more strict on letting people stream their content. So you might not be able to see these live games when the playoffs hit. You know, what I'm saying is enjoy it during the season because for sure you'll be able to find most of all your games you're trying to watch on YouTube for free. Now this also applies to college basketball. During the season, it's cool, it's good. You'll be able to watch majority of your basketball games. And I haven't had any problems with finding any football games that I want to watch. And most of my basketball games that I want to watch during college football and basketball season. Just search for it on YouTube, put live at the end, and pick which channel you want to watch. That's going to give you the best sound and video quality based off the channels that's showing that game. If you got value out of this video, definitely check out the next video.